Hi, this is Majda from Intelswift. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage multiple workspaces in Intelswift. First, let's quickly understand what a workspace is. A workspace is like a dedicated environment for a specific team, function, or business unit. It keeps your data, workflows, AI agents, and reporting separate and secure so each team can focus on its task without interference. Think of it as having a multiple mini platforms within your Interswift account, each fully independent. Now that we understand what a workspace is, let's start by creating one so you can see how easy it is to set up your own dedicated environment. From your Interswift dashboard, go to the left bottom, click on your profile icon, organization, then click workspaces. Here, click on create workspace. You can put your name, sales, put a short description, and click on Save. You can create as many workspaces as needed. Each workspace is fully independent, customizable, and comes with its own AI agents, workflows, and documents. With your workspace created, let's look at how to configure workspace settings to make sure your teams and AI agents operate smoothly. Let's configure its general settings. This section helps you define the workspace identity, working hours, and how it handles busy periods. First, you can edit the workspace name and description to better reflect its purpose. This is helpful if you manage multiple brands, projects, or departments and want to easily recognize each workspace. Next, set your business hours. This tells customers when your team is available for live support and helps manage expectation. You can choose your time zone and define your daily working hours for each day of the week. The last part here is peak operation threshold. These features helps maintain fast support by letting your AI agents automatically step in when your team is overloaded or when customers are waiting too long. You can activate peak mode using one of the two triggers. Operator workload, which activates peak mode when an operator is handling too many chats or calls at once. Or customer wait queue, which activates when there is a backlog of unanswered chats or calls. For each trigger, you can choose to measure both chats and calls together or either chats or call separately. Then just set the number of threshold. Once that threshold is reached, AI agent will automatically start replying to customers, helping reduce wait time and improve the experience. Once you're done, click Save to apply all your general settings. Now that your workspace is set up, let's explore the help desk setting. This is where you control how your team handles customer support across email, phone numbers, live chat, and agents availability. Proper configuration here helps you deliver faster responses and a smooth experience to your customers. Let's start with email settings. These make sure customer emails are delivered reliably and look professional coming from your domain. You'll see two main options here: email verification and domain verification. Email verification, which confirms your email address is a valid and can send or receive messages. And domain verification, which ensures your domain is authorized to send emails on your behalf, reducing the risk of messages being flagged as spam. Verifying both helps your email land in the inbox instead of the spam folder and keeps your sender identity. Once both are verified, your email channel will be ready to handle support messages directly from your help desk. With email configured, let's move to the phone settings to handle customer calls inside your workspace. The phone number setting lets you connect your existing phone lines to Interswift, so your agents can answer calls from the same interface they use for the chat and emails. There are two ways to connect your number: SIP trunk or call redirect. For existing SIP trunk, connect your telecom provider directly to Interswift through the internet. You'll just need to enter your phone label, your phone number, select the region. For now, we have Europe, United States, and the Asia Pacific. And set the inbound configuration using the primary and secondary gateways. Then click on Save. For call redirect, it's simpler. It forwards calls from your existing numbers to an Intelswift assigned number. Here, put your phone label, your number, and here you select the region. And you will get a phone number inside, depends on the region. And click on Save. You can also record calls and choose where to store them. If you select Intelswift Cloud, calls will be stored securely in encrypted storage billed at $0.03 per minute. To enable cloud recording on Intelswift, you must subscribe to the pay-you-go cloud recording option in your plan. Or you can store them in your own cloud for free. Just choose your cloud provider. We have Amazon or Microsoft. Enter your region, role, backend name, and your external ID. You can also enable automatic transcription. Automatically convert call conversation into text for easier review, accessibility, and advanced analytics. Once your phone and email channels are connected, it's time to manage how your support team appears online. Presence settings lets you customize your support agent's presence behavior. Online, available to receive chats and receive calls. Away, you can choose to receive chats or calls or don't at all. On the call, you can choose to receive chats, and offline, you're not available at all. You can also set status to on call while on a call. So it means when an agent is on a call, their status will automatically switch to on a call. You can also set up your presence through your profile icon. You come to status and you can change from online, away, on a call, or offline. Finally, let's customize how chats are handled inside your help desk. You will see two key options: AI overrides human handoff, which allows your AI agents to reply outside of business hours, even when human handoff is active, and accept messages in resolved conversations, which lets your customer continue chatting in previously closed conversations instead of starting the new one. Those options give you more flexibility in managing conversations, especially during off hours or in ongoing cases. And that's it. Your help desk settings are now fully configured. Let's click on Save. Next, let's look at the secrets section inside your workspace. This is where you can store sensitive data like API keys, tokens, and passwords securely. To add a new secret, click Create Secret. Here, enter a name that describes what the secret is used for. For example, API key. You can enter the value of it and click on Create. And that's it. You've now securely set up a secret inside your workspace. Your AI agent can safely use them for advanced automation while keeping all sensitive data protected. And that's it. We've now explored the entire workspace settings inside Intelswift, from general settings and business hours to phone setup, emails, secrets, and more. You now know how to fully customize your workspace to match your team's needs.